Good evening. It's evening here. Welcome. So just wanted to share with you a few gadgets that I got today. Some techy stuff. I want to run some business errands for my boutique, and found few interesting things, some that I needed and some that will be of good use. So I hope you are all doing well. So the first thing I got was this wireless lantern speaker. I can't wait to plug it to my laptop here. Actually, it's pretty cool. I get it from this local business here. It's an Iranian tech store, so they tend to assist me a lot with my business phone. So as you can see, the name is right there, YYC Repairs, and the prices are still there actually, so I haven't removed it. So I cannot wait actually to plug it in and to see what it's going to look like. So comes with a USB right there. This is what it looks like inside. Pretty cool stuff, and obviously comes with the manual instruction. So I love cool those little cool techy stuff. Like, keeps me challenged a little bit from time to time. So for those who do not know, actually, I have a background in the tech field, so that's what I did my bachelor degrees in. So God has a way of not wasting anything at all, or at least that's how I see it. So, and it's not as if I don't have a speaker. Actually, I already had a speaker. Let me show you. I had this speaker here that I got a few years ago, and it's by Nasdaq, and it's very handy. And but since I'm not using much of headphones these days, so I will be moving this one to my desktop, where I tend to do lots of business work. Maybe if you've seen some of my videos, it's pretty close to the kitchen area as well. So yes, it's not your traditional shape, so I just love cool things. I actually took it because of the shape, but I can't remember where I got it. It was somewhere in Calgary here. It might have been, maybe it was the Source, one of those local stores. But yeah, so I'll move this one to the desktop in the living room, and then I'll be plugging this one to the laptop here, which is pretty handy, because that means that yes, if I'm maybe outdoor recording in the evening or playing things, when I'm recording, sometimes you just need to play it back. This can come in handy. If you've seen some of my previous videos on YouTube, you will see that there's quite a bit that I did outdoor before the pandemic started. And obviously I've been needing a mouse, so much so that I think I probably became an expert in short keys. So this would be again for my desktop. So I'll be using this this mouse over there. Yes, I'm excited actually. And then the other tool that I got today, this is for cell phones. So it is a nanotech cleaning liquid, and I thought I needed to get my own cleaner, but it actually comes with the cleaning supply inside. But apparently it can be used on a monitor if it is a glass monitor. So it says 99% invisible protection, 9H hardness, anti-scratch, high definition, antibacterial, anti-corrosion. You know, these days you never know where you put your, especially in my case, my cell phone tends to be all over the place. So this is handy. And the last thing that I got is again another business expense. It's a fan, a USB fan. I've never seen those before, so it was so attractive. I couldn't help it, so I figured it will come in handy. And again, it's at YYC Repairs that I got it. One of the local tech shops here in Calgary, because I live in Calgary, Alberta in Canada. So it's a fan, and it's a USB metal desk fan, and it's the smallest, cutest thing I ever purchased since I got my my microphone. You might have seen my microphone in some of my videos for ministry on my music channel. If not, well, give me a moment and I will show you. But this is it. Wait. And this will be handy for me because when I'm designing at the boutique, jewelry, things like that, this is a great way to find it instead of just, you know, it's not always the best. So that's what it looks like. And the USB is actually a built-in, so it's not even like detachable or anything like that, huh? So I can't wait to use it, and it's so perfectly metallic that I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So you might see it in some of the future videos. So these were some of the cool things that I got today. I had been planning to do some spending in regard to work over the days and the weeks to come. But it started today, and I'm actually glad that they were over these items. It's very exciting. So I came back home all excited, looking forward to things. So wait a moment. Let me show you my. So this is my USB mic for those who probably never paid attention to it. So it's a USB plugs into the laptop or the desktop, it doesn't matter, and it's by blue snowballs. Actually the snowball sign is probably in somewhere. I've had it for many years now, many years. I've had this snowball for like, I don't know since when, but I got it at, again, another one of the local shop here. They're actually they sell instrument, and I think it's called Long and McQuaid, Long and McQuaid. They used to be in the south side. So when my work was keeping me in the south side of the city of Calgary, so the city of Calgary is divided into 4 quadrants: northwest, southwest, northeast, southeast. So when I was busying myself in the south side of the city, I ventured myself into the store once, and they sell lots of cool instruments, superb instrument, music instrument, drums, what else, many things. So when I began composing music a few years ago, I went to the store, and yes, so it's my little treat. So yes, you can see that I love, cool gadgets. Inspector Gadget and I will get along very fine. Although I've only watched his episode, his cartoon a few times. I haven't watched it in a few years now. So yeah, that was my day. So I hope you have enjoyed it, and looking forward to seeing how this will transpire. So thank you for watching, and Megalunei TV.